Let's see if this works. Ooh, damn, that hurt. I'll just use my eye.
Cherish that family smile. Picket fence days don't last forever. The future is coming up. Mom and Dad and kids are fresh.
So anyway, that's why me and Nana are taking a break. Oh, stupid cheap bike.
You're the worst dad who ever lived. I'd rather take my chances in a hot car than go in a store with you.
Why, you little...
Homer, a good father is strong enough that he doesn't need to use his strength. What Bart needs is for you to strangle him with your love.
I never thought of fatherhood as something that could affect a kid.
You know candy's bad for your teeth.
If it wasn't for candy, you'd be out of business.
Share these with your friends.
Oh, well, in that case, Lisa was using her solar calculator yesterday, so I opened the drapes to let in more sun.
Just hope the kids didn't hear us.
Well, maybe your kids didn't.
There's no way that means anything other than I get a mini bike. To the library!
Oh my God! I found my new look!
Those are girl overalls.
I could pull it off!
Just transfer everything to this flash drive.
I don't know. Can I really betray my country? I say the Pledge of Allegiance every day.
You pledge allegiance to the flag.
And the flag is made in China.
Please, I gotta talk to you.
I'm busy.
Don't you minimize me!
Fine, just get in here.
It's the playground ghost! I swear, I didn't mean to kill you.
It's me, Willie, Bart Simpson.
Oh, all right. There's no such thing as a playground ghost.
How could you mistake him for me?
It was that saucy mouth that got you killed in the first place.
Dad, I was thinking about it, and you're right. You shouldn't buy me something I didn't earn. And because you gave me the tough love I didn't know I needed, I'm going to be spending lots and lots more time with you.
Oh.
He's buying it.
I'm buying it!
I love visiting you at work, Dad.
And I love having you here, son. 'Cause you can wake me up if somebody comes.
You're just lucky we picked you up before the FBI got to you.
Another disgrace for the French Bureau of Investigation.
Don't forget us, the A-Team of Finland.
I pity the fool who messes with B.A. Backstrom.
Okay, but don't read our subtitles. 我们可以小个香香的盒子装家来呀。
他那么帮我干他的，将养个机会。
如果我们给他买杆头当上，他还可以把好吃的送过来我们那。
可是我们能信得过，他会把好吃的送过来吗？
I know what you're saying. I understand food talk in every language. Where's he going? Why on earth would a child go to the zoo?
American Fatso, your knowledge helped us build this plant. We would like you to have the honor of cutting the ceremonial ribbon.
I'll see myself out.
¡Ay, señor Burns! ¿Por qué siempre le pasan cosas terribles a personas maravillosas a las 3:01? La que, por cierto, es la hora correcta. ¿Qué hará el fin de semana?
Homero, siempre me pregunto cómo puedes pagar esta fiesta año tras año.
Porque tengo algo mágico llamado segunda hipoteca.